Instructional designing in education. Instructional designing creates or enhances knowledge and skills through training using a particular set of programs and learning materials. The designing processes ensure the applicability of acquired skills by identifying the subject group's needs to formulate an effective design model that gives positive feedback. The instructional design approach was a suggestion from psychologists and education experts to improve and monitor collaborative learning processes. Since its introduction in the early 1900s, the design process has evolved and developed to cater for the ever-changing learning processes in the global world, thus affecting its roles through time. In education, instructional designs help students and faculty collaborate globally and get quality education through digital application training to enhance online classes in higher education. This paper explains the role of instructional designers, the instruction approaches for planning professional training, and the role of marketing in managing the instructional design process and media production. Instructional designs assist learners and educators in learning effectively in oral, written, and visual communication. Online courses require visual learning through virtual classrooms and one-on-one visual communication, written assignments, and verbal communication through phone classes. Thus, instructional creates technologies for online pedagogical training by redesigning and developing new and more effective approaches. Apart from technological developments, the process selects different technologies in particular groups and classes. For instance, a given group of students requires specific online learning methods such as virtual classrooms for better understanding, while another group may have effective learning through discussion board posts. Consequently, instructional designers collaborate with faculty in creating online courses that work according to the educators' and students' schedules. Online students usually have tight schedules and require flexible learning hours that instructional designers consider when offering online courses. The approach also trains educators to use technology effectively during teaching and learning processes. Nowadays, students prefer online classes due to affordability and time management, requiring institutions to teach faculty lessons using technology and technological devices. Many faculty members are not digitally knowledgeable and require extensive training for practical teaching. These include sending and receiving emails, creating discussion board posts, allocating group assignments, and teaching virtual classes. Additionally, students must be technologically knowledgeable to attend online courses and virtual classrooms. Although most students may have the technological know-how, instructional designs offer pedagogical training to cater to adults who have little knowledge regarding the use of technology and are not technologically advanced students. The evaluation role of instructional designs involves assessing the students' online assignments and tests to avoid cheating. The instructional design develops applications for checking plagiarism before submitting online assignments, reducing the faculty's task of manually checking the material. Instructional design experts use different approaches to train and develop learners' skills that consider the subject's context and extent. Some of the techniques include ADDIE, ASSURE, CARE, DIC, and KEMP designs. The most common instructional practice in education is the ADDIE design that offers broad training strategies and evaluates outcomes extensively. In the ADDIE approach, the instructor categorizes learners' professionalism as either amateur, semi-skilled, or skilled, which helps apply different training and assessment methods for each subgroup. The design process systematically selects, organizes, and develops specific media programs, learning materials, assignments, and learning outcomes for each group. Consequently, the instructor designs and creates teaching and learning material that promotes the growth of teachers' particular teaching skills. Evaluation is a continuous process done through assessing learning outcomes and development since the start of training to developing a conclusive remark at the end of the training period. The KEMP model training and evaluation model involves 9 systematic steps from designing to evaluation and feedback. The first process identifies the problems and challenges facing a particular group of students or teachers, which helps formulate objectives. Secondly, the approach identifies the learner's common characteristics that focus on finding out the challenging areas. The third process analyzes various assignments that can help in providing positive outcomes. Objectives are drawn in the fourth stage, while the fifth stage systematically records the contents of the particular design method. The sixth and seventh stages involve the formulation of instructional tools and strategies. Consequently, the eighth phase develops the instructions, where the final stage presents tools for evaluating the whole process. The KEMP approach is suitable for developing professional skills because it provides an informative, conclusive, and confirmative evaluation. Marketers connect a consumer to suppliers in many fields, which include instructional designing. Through marketing, designers can describe the components of instructional design, its significance, and its effectiveness in acquiring and developing skills. Since marketing focuses on suppliers' services in promoting a product, marketing strategists can enhance the descriptions to attract potential clients. Thus, the wide range of marketing approaches in reaching clients helps instructional designers communicate with the world. Instructional designers facilitate the program and the whole training process, requiring media to provide instructional support. The media is responsible for producing and distributing the final design concept to attract clients without exaggerating the program's features. An effective program must have a specific time frame, effective communication, a reasonable budget, and objectives. Although marketing sites offer advertising opportunities, they review the details and effectiveness of products before advertising to consumers to ensure the product's safety to clients. As a medium of communication, marketing helps instructional designers in collecting clients' feedback from various sectors. Consumer feedback helps assess and improve weak areas of the design process, creating more efficacy. Marketing also helps identify new technologies and the most effective mode of exchanging information online for training programs. Online courses require privacy for the faculty and students, thus, marketing strategies can help identify the best technological applications and sites by analyzing the latest market trends. An instructional designer can test new technologies by following the trends to obtain the most effective technical tool. Instruction designs are essential in learning processes, particularly online courses that require close collaborations for quality education. The approach helps develop existing curriculums, redesign or adjust programs, implement and evaluate learning processes, and create collaborative learning materials such as study guides. An effective instructional design program involves training learners, developing learning designs, designing objectives and outcomes, and implementing ideas and evaluation services. Instructional design training involves identifying learners' knowledge and expertise, the learning environment, and performance areas requiring skill development. Identifying learners' challenges and experiences helps draw objectives that must meet specific expectations at the end of the training sessions. Marketing platforms include newspapers, visual media, audio, print media, and social networks, encompassing a broad audience locally and globally. Despite the different marketing platforms, marketers help communicate and promote the product to specific interest audiences. Instructional designers need to use effective marketing programs since they determine the success of a design project through strategic advertising that offers competitiveness in the market. In summary, instructional designs offer educators teaching assistance and support students through technological support, course management, and progressive learning experiences to bring out positive outcomes.